Hi, I'm Brandon Bombardo with ShopSabre CNC. Today we're running a fun seasonal project. It's a wooden snack tray. This is one of those simple products that looks great, serves a purpose, and can really turn into something that you decide to sell. Now today I'm going to be cutting this on our ShopSabre IS 408 router. Our Industrial Series is built using a welded structural steel frame with 25mm linear guide rails and our industrial grade ball screw system on all three axes. That combination gives you the rigidity and the precision needed to produce clean, repeatable parts each and every time. These unique characteristics stand out from the industry and makes this machine a tremendous value. Now on this project, we've got some recessed pockets, some smooth inside curves, and profile cuts that are all going to need to line up perfectly. The Industrial Series is going to handle this without hesitation thanks to that ball screw drive system. And it's going to produce clean edges, consistent depths, and smooth finishes right off the table. So we've got our file from Vectric's free project library, and toolpaths were built in Vectric VCarve Pro. So now it's time to load the material, lock it down on our vacuum table, and dial in our 0 points. Once that's set, we'll be ready to run. So let's get to cutting. How cool is that? Clean, functional, and ready to finish. If you're already cutting cabinetry or production work, adding small products just like this opens up new revenue streams without changing your workflow. That's the power of CNC. No matter what you're producing, a ShopSabre router gives you accuracy, durability, and long-term reliability. Pair that with ShopSabre's American-made build quality and its support, and you're set up to grow. Thanks for watching this ShopSabre project video. I'm Brandon Bombardo, and I'll see you in the next one.